So I'm a little late this year with organizing planting space for potatoes, and I'm also a little bit late for chitting them. So this is mid-May now, and I believe with the help of wood chips these will actually still mature out in the garden before the first frosts in September or October. And I'm gonna go ahead and chit these for a week or two and plant them out then. So now I'm hoping to chit them as quickly as possible. As you can see here, they're already starting to grow, and this is all the same variety. These are just ordinary organic potatoes from a supermarket, and Estima is the name of the variety. These are kind of starting to grow as well. So in order to chit these as quickly as possible, I'm going to do an experiment. I have no idea if it's going to work, but what I'm going to do is I've put them into these seed trays, as you can see, and put a little bit of compost in the bottom, and I'm going to water them, and I'm going to put compost on top of these potatoes, a little bit of it, and then I'm going to put a little bit of water on from there, and then I'm going to cover them with the same trays but upside down. Let's see if it's going to work. Just a little bit to keep them moist. They're in the greenhouse here now. Hopefully they'll be lovely and warm. I believe that would help them sprout, or chit as you call it. A little bit of compost on top. Another handful for the last one. Just ordinary potting compost. There's low fertility anyway, so it won't develop mosses or fungi as easily. No, especially in a moist environment in the greenhouse, that can help. Now here's a bit of water. It's a little bit heavy to use for one arm. It's because the can is full, but I'd say that's all the watering I'm going to do with these in the next week or so. Look for a few trays. So we'll have a good few of them left over now. I'm going to just turn these upside down and put it on top of the potatoes. Hopefully the compost will keep them moist, and this should hopefully prevent all the moisture from evaporating, although there is of course holes in these, but we'll see. We'll keep an eye on them, and hopefully they will start sprouting or chitting soon, and then we can plant them out straight away. Now, we'll see how that goes. We'll report back to you in a few weeks. Alright, this is about 10 days later. Let's see how they went. Yay! I have been checking on them alright, but not in the last few days. Check it out. These potatoes have got proper roots already. Look at that. So it does work. You can chit potatoes or sprout them much quicker in a greenhouse and in a bit of moist compost. There you go. They're not all that advanced now, but still, these are worth planting out already into their final spot. Awesome. Gonna do that today.